Managing money can be stressful. Budgets get forgotten. Financial goals can feel miles away. But what if I told you there was a way to take control of your finances easily and efficiently? Introducing the Ultimate Finance Planner. Without further ado, let me walk you through this Ultimate Finance Planner. Let's go. Starting from the left section, there's a home button that allows you to back to the dashboard page every single time. Below that, there's new income and expense buttons, which we will cover it later on. Quick navigation consists of various pages such as accounts, income, expenses and budgets, utilities bills, subscriptions, assets and liabilities, financial goals, categories, finance reports, databases, and how-to. We will dive in there in a short while. On the top section, you'll see accounts, which houses various finance accounts that you have, such as checking account, cash, etc. Here, you'll able to check your remaining balance. In income section, you will see this month's income items displayed in an organized manner. Similar to income, expenses are presented in simple manner too, showing the amount, budget category, creation date, etc. Now we're in budget section. You'll get 8 pre-made budget categories, so you only need to replace which the one you prefer. Furthermore, you get to view your budget health performance, remaining amount, and total expenses. On the left section, there's net worth, showing you the total assets and total liabilities you own. While the asset panel gives you the overview such as asset name, current asset worth, and income generated. Same goes to liabilities panel, showing you the amount due, paid, and dynamic progress bar. Back to the middle section, there are both subscriptions and utilities bills along with the monthly and yearly cost. On the bottom, your financial goals await. Properties such as name, duration time, target amount, etc. are shown to you. The progress bar is set to motivate you towards your estimated financial goals. Now, let's jump to the next one. Go to Accounts page. There's an overview of the accounts that you have. On the top, press New Account to add one. Give the account a name and enter your starting balance. Done. You just created one. It's that simple. Next, press the Income page. Then click on the new income item, straight to fill in the details such name, source, and relate to right properties. You'll see the item added instantly. By category section lets you filter your income source for your better overview. At the bottom, past income record shows your income items on monthly basis. Now go to Expenses and Budget page. First thing is to click on New Budget category. Give your budget category a name using this format, or to make it easy, just replace the pre-made category we've made in the This Month Budget category section. Go on to enter the budget amount and it's complete. Now it's displayed here. Moving on, press the New Expense button and fill in what's required and relate it to budget category, monthly report, payment account, etc. if possible. First, this month expenses section show 2 tabs, this week and this month, to give you the idea of what you're spending and its total amount. And this special section shows you the expenses above 1,000s. There are 3 types of legend. They are within budget, alert zone, and run out of budget. Past income records show the kind of items you're spending on monthly basis. And monthly budget overview shows the budget category in monthly basis as well. Next, go to Utilities Bills page and press the New Utilities Bill button. In that page, give it a bill name, enter the monthly pricing amount, set the category and starting date. Lastly, relate it to the right payment account. Now you'll see it here. In Overview page, you'll find the monthly and yearly cost of those bills. Furthermore, the categories are presented in List View. At the bottom, there are all bill items you have. There will be data such as pricing per month, category, formulated next billing date, starting date, status, plan type, formulated monthly and yearly costs. Now head over to Subscriptions page and press the New Subscription button. Give your subscription a name and fills what's needed. Your item is added successfully here. Similar to utilities bills, there are monthly and yearly cost data displayed here in Overview section, and by category section is presented in List View. In addition, there is Subscriptions items where you can see all your subscriptions items along with the corresponding data. Next, go to Assets and Liabilities page and click the New Asset button. You just need to give your asset a name, choose the type, and enter current asset worth. That's it. Now your gold asset is instantly added. Following, please press Liability button. Rename the item, enter the amount and initial paid amount and the type too. In Net Worth section, you'll find your total net worth amount that you own. Assets minus liabilities amount. While in Assets Overview, you'll see all the assets you own. Current asset worth and income generated amount. Here in Liabilities Overview, you will also get to see all liabilities items such as amount due, amount paid, initial amount paid, progress bar, etc. And these two sections shows the items in table view and in a more detailed way. Moving on, press Financial Goals page on your left side. I'll walk you through one at a time. Starting with the overview, there are goals: target amount, expected monthly savings, amount left, amount saved, expected duration time, etc. Furthermore, financial goals record consists of transaction details such as transaction date, amount, payment account used, etc. Now, press New Financial Goal button at the top and fill in the goal name, target amount, and duration time. Don't forget to press the End Date toggle button in Duration Time property as demonstrated here. The rest are generated automatically. You will see the newly added here. Now, press New Financial Goal Transaction button and fill in all of them. Your transaction is successfully recorded in this list database view. In your Finance Reports page, you'll see a variety of reports such as monthly reports January all the way to December, quarterly reports Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and yearly reports. Lastly, go to databases where all of the items are stored. Final item. On your left, you'll find a how-to guide such as how to add expense, income, assets, etc. Essentially, all of the items you need to operate this system. Thank you for watching. I hope this tour helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.